everybody, welcome to Cool Chef at Home. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple chicken sausage dish. You can even try this with veg sausage that you get in a grocery market. So please do watch this 5-minute video and I'm sure your kids and the loved ones will really like this dish. Please do share this video, like and subscribe and share your love and affection to us. So let's watch this video on how we can prepare a very interesting chicken sausage dish.
Alright, we now will take the sausages. I've just taken these sausages right out from the freezer. We'll now cut these sausages into small chunks or small pieces. You can make it much more finer, but I think this much is very good. So I'm going to cut all my sausages. Now I'm going to take a pan. In the pan I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I'm also going to add 1.5 chopped onions. And once you add the chopped onions, give it a fine toss, friends, and saute it very well. Let the onions turn golden brown. So this onions have to turn golden brown, so it takes time to saute. So after this we are going to add salt onto this. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt to this dish, and again I keep sauteing until I see that the onions have turned a golden brown. And it's a very interesting dish, guys, because normally sausages are just taken out and they're just fried in, but this adds a flavor and also a little bit of tang to the dish. So preparing sausage in this way makes kids and family members love this dish a lot. So try this and it's worth giving it a try. I'm now going to add some pepper, half a teaspoon of pepper. You can increase the pepper quantity if you want it more spicy, but half a teaspoon is good enough. Now after pepper I'm going to add some peri peri powder. So I have this peri peri powder with me, which normally is used on pizza, so I'm going to add that. That is also going to add a lot of tang to this dish. So I'm going to add peri peri powder, a couple of 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to give it a toss. So you see now that the onions are turning golden brown. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, just 1 tablespoon, not more than that. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now you see the dish is now, the flavors are good now, and all I'm going to do is add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. So yeah, that much should be good enough. 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and let's give it a fine mix of this dish. And see now, friends, it is smelling so nice over here. I can literally feel the flavors of the onion. Onions are getting more crispier, and now it's time for us to add the sausages that we had cut. So now I'm going to add all those sausages, and we now need to give time for these sausages to cook well. So I'm going to just keep stirring this consistently. Your sausages should actually turn into golden brown, and some of the edges and all should look fried. That's when you know that your sausages are done well. So keep tossing it, keep stirring it, and make sure that the sausage color turns close to reddish. I do this for 7 to 8 minutes. My pan is very hot, so sausages cook faster, and it's easier also. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes, guys, you will see that the color has changed. Now you see this sausages, guys, it's turned red. Now what I'm adding is tomato puree. I have frozen tomato puree, so I'm going to add some 4 to 5 spoons of tomato puree, and you would see that I've not added water to this dish, and you should not add water. So the frozen tomato puree will have a slight quantity of water, and that's good enough for this dish. So I'm going to add some 4 to 5 spoons of tomato puree to this one, and I'm going to give it a final toss before our dish is ready to be served and tasted. So now we are almost at the final leg of this one, and now I'm going to give it a nice toss and make sure that the tomato puree mixes well across the chicken, and I'm sure it will taste very good once you serve it on a plate. So just keep tossing it for another couple of minutes, and our dish is almost getting ready now, and it will be very good to be served. So I'm going to toss this for another 5 minutes, and we'll go with serving this on a plate. You can enjoy this dish with a beverage. Give it to kids as a starter, guys. They would love it. I hope you like this video. Please do share, subscribe to our channel, click the red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Until our next video, do take care.